In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell golf clubs on eBay in 2025. Whether you're an avid golfer looking to upgrade your gear or you've stumbled upon some clubs that you'd like to offload, this guide is just what you need to turn those extra clubs into cash. We'll walk through every step, making your online selling experience as smooth as the perfect swing. First, let's start with cleaning and identifying the golf clubs you're planning to sell. Presenting clean equipment is crucial in attracting buyers. Begin by wiping down each club with a damp cloth to remove any surface dirt or grime. To really get them looking their best, you might want to use a soft brush for the grooves, ensuring those hard to reach spots are spotless, and remove any stickers or residue to enhance their overall appearance. You'll find that a little bit of elbow grease can go a long way in boosting the appeal, and subsequently the value of the clubs. Once clean, it's time to understand exactly what you're selling. Knowledge of your product is essential. Take note of the brand, model, loft, shaft type, and flex. Popular brands often fetch higher prices, so keep an eye out for names such as Callaway, TaylorMade, Titleist, Ping, Cobra, or Mizuno. A professional tip to consider is photographing model numbers, club specifications, and shaft labels. These detailed images can significantly elevate the effectiveness of your listing. The next important step is to look up sold comps for pricing guidance. This involves searching for the brand and model of your club, for instance Ping G425 7 Iron Stiff, and filtering the results by sold items. Study the prices for which these clubs are selling, paying attention to the condition, whether it's new, used, or just the club head, and if it's sold as a single club or a complete set. If your club is a bit rare, you may want to broaden your search terms to something like forged wedge or blade iron to find similar items. Now let's move on to creating a high converting listing. Use eBay's sell feature where you can start crafting your title with something descriptive like TaylorMade Sim 2, Max 5 iron, RH, a stiff steel, excellent condition. Make sure your photos are comprehensive. Capture the entire club from top to grip, include close-ups of the club face, shaft label, flex, grip condition, and any visible serial numbers. In the description, you'll want to include specifics like the club model, loft details, shaft type, and grip condition. Also, highlight the club's condition to reassure buyers. Mention if it's excellent with clean faces, grooves, and no dings. Lastly, specify that it ships quickly, either in a padded mailer or a box. For listing settings, make sure to choose the correct condition, which is either new or used, and select the appropriate category to reach the right audience, such as golf clubs and equipment, golf clubs. Your price should be based on the comps you researched earlier. Be strategic and flexible with your sale format by setting it as buy it now, with the option to accept offers, or consider an auction format if the item is rare or collectible. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling your golf clubs on eBay with confidence and efficiency. Happy selling!